So this one is the beast, which is, itself is a legend, and it belongs to the legend itself, and his name is G.S. Kumar. And now the time of this beast to be, roar on the road now. I have identified the mechanic. Let's see how soon he comes and have a visit here. I'm chasing him from past so many days, and he's he's always stuck, sometime in rain, sometime having some issue with his vehicle. Anyways, these all small things will come, but the determination is strong, and definitely this has to be roar on the road. Okay, so today I just took it out from the garage to show some sun. I will just clean some mud, dust from this vehicle. Just give me a moment, I will just show you the other part of it. So this is the stepney area, or I'll put the extra tag here. Almost things are nice because I saw the engine is working fine, there is no choking, so I can hear the thump sound. So the moreover work would be on the setting of this carburetor, the pan job, the working of the sockets here and the front one, and these tire need nickel chrome, and the silencer need the rust cleaning. So I will prefer the same color, I will retain the same color, but we'll see like if the matte is available there. So this bike would be having the matte black in this area. This would be the chrome, and the silencer and the wheel will be keeping in chrome only, and that's it. Thank you very much. Signing out.